Dude right there. Good dude. Xanthire Baldwin. Tanya, when I looked at the list, I went, I have not seen that name before, and I absolutely love it.
I like it too.
I don't know how mom and dad came up with that name, but Xanthire, consider yourself absolutely lucky to have such a beautiful first name, kiddo. Xanthire is now double digits. She's 10 years old. What do we got there? A citizenship award?
Yeah.
Congratulations and happy 10th birthday.
All right. And gracing us from St. Paul, Kansas, we have Grace Marshall, who's turning 17 years old.
And evidently was a goofball as a child.
Yeah. Little throwback picture there, Grace. Happy birthday.
You want to do the home? I guess she splits hometown.
Oh, okay. It says St. Paul, Kansas, and Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania.
She's here, there, and everywhere. Glenda McCarty celebrating her 78th birthday, and I know that the relay for life, and that's a Survivor shirt that she has on. So Glenda, congratulations and a very happy birthday to you, ma'am.
All right, happy birthday, Glenda. And a happy birthday to one of our 4-state heroes, Mr. Delbert Rex Winkle from Iola, Kansas, turning 92 years old this weekend. Happy birthday, Mr. Rex Winkle. I understand he served 2 years as a Marine during the Korean War. Thank you for your service.
You know, sometimes I like to give people a hard time when we don't have a picture, but sometimes we come back with a picture. Florence Kammerer turns 97, and we have a gorgeous picture of Miss Florence here. And Florence, a very happy birthday to you. Her birthday was yesterday, but we wanted to make sure that we celebrated appropriately today. And Florence, happy birthday in Neodesha.
All right, Miss Joyce Huff is celebrating a birthday this weekend. We've got birthday wishes coming from Chris and Sophie.
Carl and Angie Lewis. What a cool picture right there. I'm not sure where that is, but Lewis's, thank you for providing us with that beautiful landscape right there. They're celebrating 27 years of marriage in Parsons.
We've got quite an anniversary list this morning. We're going to continue it with Gail and Juanita Alloway celebrating 46 years together. Congratulations to Gail and Juanita in Parsons as well.
And then we've got John and Debbie Churchick. They're celebrating 56 years. Congratulations to the Churchicks on, wow. I tell you what, Tanya, every day when we go through our anniversary numbers, it is amazing. And really says a lot about the 4 states right there. 56 years in Carl Junction.
And we have a couple of KOAM employees celebrating wedding anniversaries. This is our very own promotions manager, Mr. Vance Lewis, with his wife, Allison, celebrating 34 years. They're in Carl Junction. What's really cool about Vance and Allison is they are the amazing parents of our production assistant, Trevor.
Do you have it framed up appropriately?
Yep,
okay.
There he is.
So this is
the man behind the camera.
Sometimes you will hear me reference Trevor behind the camera, and this is Vance and Allison's son, and you do amazing work. I'm going to give you the opportunity. I'm giving you the microphone right now to talk to mom and dad.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Happy anniversary. Go enjoy yourselves.
You're awesome, kid. Hey, and Vance and Allison, you guys raised a marvelous kid too, marvelous kid. And Trevor, yeah, you owe it all to them because you got 2 amazing parents, my man. Drew and Carenza Cook celebrating their first anniversary. Where's Carenza
at? She's at the producer desk right now.
Hey, Tim, I'm gonna come back to this one. Is that cool? Can I do that? Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up. All right, thumbs up. I got it. Let's move on. Trevor, go get Carenza. Because we've got 2 that we're going to come back to. So I want to get to Paul Peterson on the list. Paul is turning 55 in Iola. And Paul, a very, very happy birthday to you. And so while I'm waiting for Carenza to come down, and this, folks, this is why this is like a family, this is why this is a family show. Because we've got an anniversary and a birthday that we still have to get to. But also too, the reason why this go down there with her. The reason why this is a family show is because I've got another birthday that I want to point out today. I'm just going to say Joe Jean. Joe Jean, a very happy birthday to you. And I want you to know how much I love you and everything that you've done for the Hayslips. And so I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm just going to say a very happy birthday to Miss Joe Jean. She knows who I'm talking about. Now, let's go back to those pictures. Let me clean myself up here real fast. Let's go back to those pictures really fast. This is Drew and Carinza Holla Cook. And that would be Carinza on the left-hand side of your screen. Carinza is the producer of this show. And so, Carinza, I'm going to turn it over to you and Tanya because you, number one, congratulations on your anniversary.
Thank you.
But also, two, we have a very special birthday after that. And I'm going to let you take it over from here.
And this is a big anniversary. This is your first anniversary. This
Yes.
is huge.
It's very big.
And I understand you have a special message for your husband.
Yes, I do want to say happy birthday. I mean, not birthday. Wow, I'm jumping ahead. Sorry. Happy anniversary to my husband. He's put up with a lot, and here's to the next bajillion years or whatever.
Whose birthday is it?
It's my mom.
Yeah!
How
Janet,
awesome is that?
holla!
My mom works here at KOM too. She's the best mom, and I'm totally her favorite child. Sorry, Drew. I know you're watching right now because I told you to, but I'm totally her favorite kid.
Oh, I love it. We did it. Folks, this is not scripted. This is organic.
No, she did not know she was coming on. Did not know this at all. So.
This is as organic as we can get.
Birthday, Mom. I love you, and I am excited for lamb lasagna on Saturday.
Ooh.
Made by me, so we'll see how it goes.
Hey, producer, I blew your clock out of the water, by the way.
Hey, it is okay. I am not worried.
We'll be back with more KOM Morning News right after this.